Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this guided meditation that will help you feel anchored and supported when you feel like you're spinning and that your energy is all over the place. So often we just jump right into doing, forgetting about who we are being first. But if we can just take a moment to focus on being grounded and present before doing anything, then we can do all that needs to be done from a place that feels much more spacious and peaceful. So let's take that minute right now. I'm so glad you're here, dear one. If we haven't met yet, I'm Carolyn, spiritual mentor, and this channel is all about helping you still your mind and awaken your soul, while using the healing energy of horses as our guide. Before we begin, dear one, let your eyes gaze over the images of the horses who will be coming along with you throughout this meditation. Let their soulful strength and their powerful presence wash over you. Feel yourself being bathed in a healing light that is calm, confident, peaceful, and present. Horses are prey animals. They must remain in the present moment, calm yet alert, in order to respond if or when it is needed. For them, there is no yesterday. There is no tomorrow. There is only right now. Let this wisdom of the horses merge with you now as you get yourself comfortable in whatever position feels right to you, and then whenever you're ready, gently allow your eyes to close. Feel your seat bones against the surface beneath you. Feel your feet firmly planted on the floor. And take a nice, deep, cleansing inhale. And letting out a nice, soft, relaxing exhale. Feel your seat bones and your feet connecting to the surface beneath them. And breathe in again, a deep cleansing inhale, and letting go again, a soft, relaxing exhale. Take some time here to feel the support beneath you and to breathe into the space around you. Feel supported and spacious at the same time. Check in with your breath here. What do you notice? Does it feel light? Does it feel easy? Does it feel nourishing? Let your open awareness ask the questions. and let your body give the answer. Let your body receive more of whatever you notice that it needs. Inhale deeper. Exhale slower. Sitting here, softer. Letting go more and more. Send your energy down through your seat bones and your feet into the floor and deeper into the ground below that. And deeper into the rock below that. And deeper into the earth's core below that. And deeper still into the very center of the earth below that. You are held here by it all. Let yourself feel that support. Let yourself breathe that support. Let yourself receive that support. And let yourself relax into that support and let go and soften and release. Let your body be anchored here. Let your energy be grounded here. Let your mind be peaceful here. Let yourself be here. Take some final moments to really allow all of you, mind, body, spirit, past, present, future, to come together in this one and only present moment, in this one and only here and now, and just be exactly where you are right now. Take your time to breathe and be on your own. And then, whenever you're ready, come back to the room and gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation helped you feel grounded and supported and settled into a state of being before you move on to take care of your doing. Please let me know in the comments if it was supportive for you. It really means so much to me to hear from you. And if you'd like to go deeper with getting out of your head and back into your heart, then I invite you to take advantage of my free 3-day mini meditation challenge. You can click on the link in the description. And if you received any benefit from this meditation, please show it some love by clicking like and subscribe. This really helps me create more of them for you. Thank you so much for listening, dear one. Have a beautiful day.